Alrighty. Ay. Good, good. I'm finally better. I had like a 24-hour stomach bug or food poisoning, so I appreciate you, Andrew. Thank you for asking. Welcome back. Hey, it's Monday. It's December 16th. The sign-ups are in full effect. We got, I'm trying to get my bearings straight here. Sorry, bear with me. NQ new, 1 for 1, 350. NQ open last night, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. NQ later in a trade, it looks like. Did I turn it off on all of them? What did I do? I forgot to turn it off on my take profit account. Alright, so we're going to have to manually manage this one. Good morning, good morning. Hello. Sorry, I'm a little behind schedule. I had to pick up my son from the dentist where his mom works, and then bring him to school because it's my week. So I'm a little behind. I apologize. I appreciate each and every one of you being here. What do you know? Good morning. Keep tapping that screen. C Money, Steven, Digital Candies, Stebbin, Andrew, Fighting Irish, Woodsley, MC, Jojo, Richard, Keiko, Chris, Emmett, Adam, Omni, Joe Dobbins, Tiger, Mauricio. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly Bean till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. What do we got? Visual short. Let's see your visual short in a trade here. See if market's going to move down. Probably not. Probably going to be moving up here. Although it is 400 in the green. Let's move. Let's pull up Santa while we can. Get him ready for when he gets in a trade. We'll put him over here on YouTube. All right. Visual short out. Visual long. Nothing. NQ later in this trade here. Pop that. $195, $197. All right. Hey, good morning. Good morning. What do you know? We're up to almost resistance 2. I'm done for the day already. I've been done. I could take another trade here, honestly, but I'm not going to because we're going to swag. We're going to stick with our goals here. What is in a trade I can show you? There's nothing in a trade I can show you right now. Okay. Well, we'll keep it here. Stay tuned. We'll get something into a trade here shortly. Kalen, Udam, Nick, Julio, Ortiz, Mo, Taula, T. Smith, Cass, Dawn Martin. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you guys for tuning in and being here with me. I appreciate it. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading. Using BoldBot, we got a Christmas sale special going on right now. For the digital mentorship, it is $500 off the normal price, so only $1,000 for the digital mentorship that teaches you how to manually trade. It gets you access to the student group, the student morning Zoom call, student play of the day, proprietary chop zones, the standard alerts. So if you're interested in learning how to manually trade the futures market, let us know. It is on sale right now until the end of the year. That one Crypto Babe, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Hey, you just came from Jen's Live. Well, thank you for joining. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I am your host. I do go live right after the beautiful BoldBot beauties of Jen and Lauren from Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading just like they do. We're having a good old time. We've got NQ early, 1 for 1. We got NQ later in a trade, green 110 right now. We got NQ range new, green 1 for 1 for 350. NQ open last night, $100, 1 for 1. But NQ PBV is what I took. It's one of the premium algorithms. It was 3 for 3 for $1,800. Now, I only had it on one micro because I'm just slowly building up my accounts. But still, that's $180 I made on 3 trades last night while I slept. So if you want more information about that, please reach out to us. Email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. All right, I moved my stop loss up and took profit on NQ later. Nothing wrong with that. You know, I might miss out on a little bit of money, but at least I'm not going to lose any money. So what's the special? The special is $1,000 for the digital mentorship. It's normally $1,500, so it's right now $500 off. Also, I have a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for Christmas. 2 lucky winners will win 1 free month of the standard algorithm. All you have to do is follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube, shoot me a message, comment on one of my videos, and let me know in the chat if you want to be added to the list for the giveaways. That's going to be happening 1 week from today, next Monday at noon. Hey, CMK, how do I join the giveaway? All right. Black Pearl, I think I just went over that. Do I have you on the list? No, not yet, but I'm going to add you because I know you've been following for a while. The Black Pearl. I love the name. I love it. All right. That one Crypto Babe, she wants added. All right. Cash Money Kyle, I got you. I got you. I forgot what that acronym was, but it's all good. All right, where are we at? Visual long is in this long. We're just missing it because I'm on the wrong chart. Let me show you here. All right, $500 on this NQ visual long trade. Cass, you want added as well? All right. Just make sure you're following me. I'm going to have to make my list and check it twice. All you got to do is follow me on TikTok, X, or YouTube. All 3 would be nice. Shoot me a direct message or comment on one of my videos and just let me know here in the chat that you want added to the list. But Black Pearl, you've been around a long time, so I know you follow me already. So I put you down. Alex Sanchez, welcome in. Yukon, hello. My YouTube, you can find it through my link tree here on TikTok, but it should just be BoldBot_Kyle. Kind of the same thing as my TikTok. Or if you want to subscribe to the main BoldBot channel as well, it's just search BoldBot on YouTube, and that's where I'm live right now. You'll see me on there because I don't have enough subscribers yet on my personal page. But one day, hopefully, you can follow me on both here. BoldBot_Kyle on YouTube. Please follow on there as well. Tony Lopez, welcome in. Hello. Monica, good morning. Good morning. Oh, no problem, Mario. That's all right. I can still put you down. I'll still put you on the list. Yeah, if you follow me on at least one of them, that's great. 2 of them's even better. 3 of them would be fantastic, but I understand some people don't have all 3, so that's okay. We've got about 20 names so far for the giveaway. 2 lucky winners. Going to be happening on Monday the 23rd at noon, live on air. I'll put everybody's name on a wheel, spin it, go round and round, and the winner will be randomly selected. Also, it is a Christmas special, $500 for the first month of the algorithm for the standard, $1,000 a month after that. $1,500 for the premium. We've got standard alerts, $100 a month, or premium alerts, $500 a month. Those standard alerts, guys, they made somebody over $5,000 last month alone just by using the standard alerts. And he only paid $100, so that's well worth the investment if you're already a manual trader. But come on in, keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. We're low on likes. I got a late start. Let's see if we can get to at least 3,000 likes by 11:30. I know you guys can do it. Just keep tapping the screen. All it really does is it tells the TikTok algorithm to send more viewers my way. The more you chat, the more you tap the screen, the more you share it, the more gifts I get. All that stuff helps. So I appreciate each and every one of you being here, hanging out, tuning in. It's a great start to the Monday morning. Yeah, Andrew, yeah. Andrew, I already got you on the list. You're good. Thank you, Crypto Babe. I appreciate that. Hi, Don Martin. Welcome back. Y. Beltran. Hello. Good morning. Big moves up still here. Rollover is today. Most people will get the rollover notification tomorrow when you log in. Don't be freaked out. Just accept the rollovers. All that means is the next month's contracts will be, coming up on the futures market. A lot of big movement up here. I could have made a lot of money if I would have just held my position a little longer, but we're at all-time highs, so it's a little scary up here when you don't know how far they're going to want to let this thing run up, And then every time it seems like I want to take another trade, it goes against me once it's this far gone. So I'm going to be disciplined today for sure. I'm learning each and every day with each and every one of you to be more disciplined, be happy with the small wins. Now, some people might think it's a lot. Some people might think it's not a lot. But to me, I made $200 roughly today on almost all of my accounts. And I have 8 live accounts. So that's $1,600 in one day. That's how I look at it. So I'm good. Do you guys have a sign-up link for NinjaTrader? Mario, if you get with a prop firm that gives you the free license, like Take Profit or Apex or one of the other ones that give you the free NinjaTrader license, that's what I suggest doing. Just buy one of the small eval accounts that are on sale right now. Use the code SWAGSHOW, and you'll get 80% off right now on an Apex account. Take Profit right now, they have a sale as well. I think it's $100 though. So if you want a free NinjaTrader license, go to Apex, sign up for one of their accounts. 80% off of 50K is like $37 or something. Don't miss out on just a dope dude. Okay. I don't know what that means, but thank you. I appreciate the advice. Or, because Mario, I don't know I think if you start a cash account with NinjaTrader, you might have to pay for the license. I have a cash account with them, but I don't remember if I think I used the Apex to get the free license. So use Tradovate if you're going to go with Apex, not Rhythmic. Just a heads up. Rhythmic is fine through anybody else except Apex. They just, in my opinion, have always had too many connection issues. But all right, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here, almost to the point where visual long is going to get taken out, but not so fast, my friends. hanging tough at that 22,020 level. Sometimes you have FOMO. You know what FOMO is? Let's talk about it. It's a real thing. It's fear of missing out. And it's a real thing with traders, especially me. No problem. You're welcome, Mario. I have it. I think just about anybody has it because it's built into our human nature. It's ingrained. We're brainwashed to the fact that, everything revolves around money. You got to have money to survive. You got to make as much money as possible. And when you see the market running up like this, sometimes you don't make the best decisions when taking a trade. So, like I said, I made close to 200 on all of my accounts today. So I'm going to be done for the day. I get tempted. I do. I see the patterns. I see the levels. I see everything saying that, yes, I should probably take another trade here. But you got to be disciplined. You got to have your swag. You got to stop when you're at your goal. Whether it's the amount of trades you take or the amount of money that you make each day, you just got to be disciplined and stick to it. And in the long run, you're going to end up winning. When you jump in, when you get a feeling and you don't have the technical analysis and everything else that you would normally take a trade and you just click buttons, that's when you lose. That's when you're going to end up busting your accounts. So I'm on a slow and steady path to success. It might take me 6 months to get to a comfortable point where I can size up to the next level in my program, but it's okay. This is not a get rich quick thing. This is a get broke quick thing. So Edison and Kylie, welcome in. Princess Polly, Mia, Mercy, T Fox and Fam, John in the Adam Murdano, Rob Beto. Good morning, good morning. How is everybody? Did you have a great weekend? I had food poisoning, so I was trying to recover so I could be here with you guys today. I ate some type of bad pizza. I think that, man, it messed with my stomach for over a day. It was a good 24 hours of not feeling good. Maples Pest Control, welcome in. Is it true that you should not kill the millipedes or centipedes if you find them in your house because they eat the other bugs? Michael Matt Sad, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all the likes, the follows, the shares. It just brings more people in to view the stream, to let them know that we got something good going on here. And maybe somebody else will want to join the BoldBot family. So does the bot do all the work for you? Yes, I do manually trade, though, as well. Crypto Babe. I've taken Lauren's digital mentorship. I highly, highly advise it. If you're thinking about getting serious on trading the futures market, you should always learn how to trade and understand what the algorithms are doing. But I have the algorithms running, and I manually trade as well. So I hope that answers the question. Home Theater Comp, Harry P. Otter, Stacy Scales, Apple user, hello. Anna Gillian, welcome in. Dimitri. Lobo Stacks, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Keep tapping that screen, guys. I really appreciate it. We're almost to 5,000 likes now. We can get to 5,000 before 11:30. We might set an all-time high. Let's pump up the jam. Can you guys hear the techno music in the background? Is it good? Is it at a good level, or is it too loud? Let me know. I'm part deaf, so I can't really hear it sometimes. Adrian, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome to the Swag Nation Army. If you want to get entered into the drawing, if you're not already entered, let me know. We're going to be doing 2 lucky winners, 1 free month of the standard algorithms. $540 now on this NQ Visual Long trade. Oh shoot! What is in a trade that you're in? Oh, you're still in. I thought I turned you off. Dummy. All right, well, you know what? I think it's going to keep going up, so we might just leave it. I accidentally got into NQ long again because I forgot to disable it on one of my accounts, but it's all right. I think it's going to continue to go up here, hopefully. CME Jose Aguilar Doom Sir Adsti Humble W. Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Hector Jose Diaz, welcome in. Welcome in. Keep tapping the screen. Let's get it up to 5,000 likes and let's have a blast. Let's have a fun day. It's a Monday. It's a magnificent money Monday. Keep tapping. There it is. Shoot it up to the moon, NQ. Go up to the moon, as they say on the crypto world. Even though we're not trading cryptos. But hey, that's all right. We're going to take a little profit here. We're going to take a little bit of profit here. Shoot it to the moon, though. Let's go. That'd be a nice little $50 extra. How's the music? Is the music good? Anybody comment? Can you hear it? Is it too loud, too soft? Shoot it to the moon, Alice. To the moon. Look at that big run up. $785 now on NQ Visual Long. $280 on NQ Later. Let's go. Let's go. Push it to the moon. 11:20 a.m. on December 16th. Thank you guys for tuning in, for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Jamming. Beats are perfect. All right. I think I finally found the right level for the stream to set everything at. Beto Serrano, welcome in. E. Greg, thank you for being here. I can't answer that call right now. I'm streaming. I'm sorry. I really do want to talk with you, but I can't. Can you trade Tesla futures on this? Not that I'm aware of. This is mainly just for indices like NQ, ES, RTY, YM, gold, oil, silver, stuff like that. Maybe on one of the... Does Tesla even have a futures ticker? I mean, if they do, it'd be interesting to see, like, if Santa could maybe scalp it, but other than that, I don't know. That's a question I can't answer. I'm sorry, Crypto Babe. That'd be like a Lauren or a Jen question. All right, pushing on up. 355 on NQ Later. So we might just take this $50 worth of profit. If it can get up to 22,052, we will hit target on NQ Later because I forgot to turn it off. That's all right. We're going to turn it off as soon as it makes this profit here. Push. One last push. Everybody just say push. D. Stang, Daniel Juarez, Liam Foster. Welcome in. Hey, Liam Foster. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up, my man. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for the follow. One big push up here. That's all we need. Push it on up to 22,052. We're going to move this up and maybe lock in a little more profit here. Andy Suarez, welcome in. Slick back. Slick back. Soyaka. Welcome in. E.G. Les. I don't know. E.G. Les. Egg Liz? All right. Anyway, all right. That took profit, $40. on NQ later for me, close to target, but I just didn't want to mess around. Sometimes I like to just take my profit. You know, like I said, I'm already up $177 on that account. Well, 172 now because of commission on that trade, but that's all right. That's a funded take profit account. User, welcome to the Swag and Enters Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. All right. So roughly 172, 214, 147, 148, 147, 153, 193. Why is that one only 193? That one should have been more. He was on a mini. Huh. Anyway, 140, 193, 144, and 207 on the day. So eight funded accounts times 150 is what? Over $1,000 on the day? Like 1,400, something like that. Yeah, $1,400. I'm or something, maybe 12. Whatever. I'm done. I'm good. It's happy. It's happy hour at the Apollo. It's 11:24 a.m. I was done basically by 9:35 because I had 3 trades that took overnight. I took one manual trade this morning right from the open. Bounced on the magic line. I took the long and it shot up right there at the open and made some money on that trade. And NQ later just took 2 trades for a couple, like 30 or 40 bucks each. So I'm done. No need to get greedy. Greedy will kill your accounts. Chad Martin, Kelthron, Streets Need Faith, Uptown 2.0, Tamp, Charlie Finesse, Paul Edwards, Devin, America's Most Lurked, Manny Jr., Tanya Williams, Crypto Babe, hello. Welcome back. Thank you guys for being here so much. I appreciate it. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $500 for the first month of the standard algorithms, $1,000 a month after that. The digital mentorship is on sale for $1,000. What's the win rate? It depends on which strategy you're talking about. We now have close to 50 different strategies, and they all have different win rates, but they're all at least over 58%, and they're all profitable in the long run. So it's kind of hard to answer that, but just know that if we put them out for you to run, they're profitable, no matter what the win rate is. But they're at least all 58, I think, is the lowest one that I've seen on the win rate. But in the monthly overall profit, it's still profitable. So El Gilly, Coding, Rose, Eduardo. Good morning, good morning. What's the best strategy win rate? I think 92% right now. NQ new range had like a 92%. NQ early was running at like a 98% for the past 3 months, but the other day it took 2 losses in a row on one day. So, but still, it was running really high, like over 95% for the past 2 or 3 months. But NQ new range is one of the higher percentage ones. Yeah, they're all good though. Let's see what else is in a trade here. All right, turn that off. Let's get back into it. Visual long's the only thing in a trade right now that I can show you. Range ES new, but that's only on Tuesday and Wednesday, so it's not a play for today, is in a trade. PBV ES night was 1 for 1 for 750. Like I said, NQ night PBV was 3 for 3 for $1,800. If you played that like I did, congratulations. And I just had it running on 1 micro, so. Fees and commissions, I think I turned it off after 2, so I had like $114 in each one. But market's just moving up still, guys. I don't know how far up they're going to let this thing go. Are we going to reach above 22,050 or not? It's really close. If you haven't signed up for the giveaway, let me know. Make sure you follow me on the social medias. Make sure you comment. Got about 20 some people on the list, I think, already. Will the bot get out of the trade itself, or do you have to place parameters? No, it'll exit and enter the trade for you. Yep. Now, you can move the stop loss on them if you want to get out of it early. Like if I wanted to take profit right now on what you're watching on NQ Visual Long, I could just move my stop loss up a little closer to where it's at and let it take me out if it gets to it. But yeah, it will do it for you. You don't have to let it do it. Or you don't have to manually move it. Sometimes I can't speak. Nyla D, Lance Fisher, Dat Boy Dustin, welcome in. Quest, Berna, hello, hello. What do you know? Good morning. It's the Swag Show, Monday morning, bright and early. Thank you for being here. Chosen Breed Bulldogs, welcome in. Marvelous Miss Midge, hello, hello. What a name. I like these names today. Uncharted Rentals, Chris Ferris, a car for, hello. All right, it is 11:30. Gonna get sideways probably now. That's normally what happens around this time, so be careful. This is why I cannot take another trade, because I know what time it is. Sideways action consolidation before lunchtime. They've had their big, huge move up already this morning. About a 400-point move already. I mean, it was, what time, where was it at 9:30? It's like 9:30. Let me see. Where were we? So at 8:30, it was down here at 21,883, and now it's all the way up to 22. So that's 100, 200. Oh, it was 200 some points. Yeah, about a 200-point move, not 400. I can't do math some days. Still, a 200-point move on NQ. Crazy. Congratulations if you caught some of it. T. Smith, welcome in. Noble Pernia? I can't read sometimes either. Ricardo Flores, good day. Hello, how are you? All right. So Visual Long got stopped out, but then it got right back into another trade here. So we shall see. Visual Shorts in a trade green 245. So it must have taking the short up there around 22,040 ish. Well, could just be sideways actions for a while. Here on out, can you trade Bitcoin? On the futures market, you can, yes. Do we have an algorithm for it? No. We don't have anything that's ever tested trading Bitcoin. We stay away from cryptos, Forex, stocks, options, mainly just stick with the main indices on the futures market. What are your products? What do you mean, what are your products? The algorithms? We have standard algorithms, premium algorithms. We have standard alerts, premium alerts. We have a digital mentorship. Those are our products. As far as what products the algorithms will run on, NQ, ES, RTY, YM, oil, gold, silver, and natural gas, I think. So those are what the algorithms will run on. Yeah. So NQ, ES, oil, gold, silver, YM, RTY, natural gas. That's, I think, pretty much it. So like eight different futures market indices, or whatever you want to call them, products. Big Dan, Keith Morgan, Rich, welcome in. NQ visual shorts in a trade, but it's an uptrending market, so I'm not going to switch it over. It is in a $385 short, though. Green 430 on the day. What trade's that? It took its loss. It hit the stop loss. NQ Visual only takes a $200 risk per trade, so it exited out once it hit the stop loss. You can see the blue line there that just popped up. That is the new entry point where it's going to try and take a long. So, and there it is. Now it's going to try and take this long again. Sideways consolidation happening like normal right around 11:30. We'll see how long they want to hold this from 22,045 down to 22,008. 40-point range probably coming in sideways action here. We'll see if it wants to break it before lunch or if it's just going to hold in here. But there's $120 right there on NQ Visual Long. You can use it as a scalping mechanism as well if you're just looking for a quick $100 and $200 a day. This is NQ Visual Long. It is one of the premium algorithms. It does take a lot of trades each day, so you got to be careful with it. It's better if you could just sit and watch it and use it as a scalping mechanism. Mr. Sancho, Lorena Pando, Lewis, welcome in. Peace, Florin, Alex. Hello, hello. 433 more likes and we'll hit 5,000. Just keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Help me help you help others. It's all on the algorithm, I'm telling you. TikTok's an algorithm. What you're watching is an algorithm. Life might be an algorithm. You never know. Be kind, be humble, be peaceful. Good morning, Ada. Hello. Sterling Breaks. Welcome in, Louis. We are green today for sure. Yes, yes, yes. NQ new, 1 for 1 for 350. NQ later, 1 for 1 for 500. NQ early, 1 for 1. NQ open last night. NQ PBV overnight last night was 3 for 3 for 1,800. So yeah, everybody should be super green today. It's a magnificent Money Monday. Oh, man. Got a bunch of Zooms to do. Gonna be a busy week. Gonna be a busy week today. It's Monday. Got like 3 or 4 of them at least after the stream. You had a red day, Mike? How the hell did you do that? Walter Jr. Ramos, welcome in. That's what I'm wondering. What the hell happened? Because everything, even bouncing off the magic line, if you would have been doing that, it never really dipped below far enough to get red. On the manual trades, and I don't see any losses on anything on the algorithm side unless you ran gridlock and big bang, but got red early and then got a good trade, got half and stopped. Gridlock, shoot. Yeah, I'm being super ultra conservative. Last night I had NQPBV run, but I just had it on one micro. And after the second win, I was actually awake and turned it off. So I didn't even get the third win, but that's all right. It's $120. 11:45 candle open. Let's see if this was just a pullback or if it's going to continue to try and sell off some of this move, or if it's going to move back up. Well, hopefully, Mike, you're not too red. Let's see if it pulls all the way back here to 22,000 even. All right, well, that we can stomach, that we can handle. That's not that bad at all. I had to take a red loss last week for that amount, right around there on all my accounts. So I feel you, but you can get it back. The magic line on the manual, though, man, that's been killing it. I've been going super small with it still, though. But that's okay. I'll run, I'll micro trade it, build up my account. Way too far up here now for me to take any type of trades, though, but good luck to anybody else that's still in it. That's still going to try and battle this market after this 200-point run up this morning. It's going to be difficult. Nothing in a trade right now, guys, to show you. I'm sorry. Even Santa's not in a trade. I might, it's probably going to roll over tomorrow to all the new months and the contracts, so I'm going to have to rebuild the new strategies. We got new strategies out now. Lauren's been working her butt off getting these new strategies ready for the standard members. There's about 7 new ones. And then I'm going to have to try and help you guys come up with modifications to the game plan, the MicroStrategy game plan. But we can work together and do that. It's going to be easier now to split it up and diversify with more strategies. So yeah. NQ a visual long, looking to take another long here. Put in its order. That's what the blue line is. If it can come back down to that, it will fill it. And then we'll be in a long. But it's got to get back down to it now. Looks like it's pumping it up. Pumping up the jam. Pump up the jam. Pump it up. While your feet is pumping. Hey, Burberry, welcome in. Good morning. I'm doing good, thank you. How about yourself? Oh boy. All right. We're back. We're here. We're doing things. Cool clips. Welcome in. Coles trades live. Womber style Dave D. Victoria Florin. Hello. We're doing good. We're here. We're hanging out. We got NQ Day Waves in a trade. It's been doing decent, I think, lately. Dub Crawford, welcome back. Hello. Good morning. Can't even move it. Okay, that's fine. How's everybody else doing? Did you have a good weekend? Is everybody signed up for the giveaway? Are you excited for the giveaway? Happening next Monday at noon. If not, follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube. Send me a message. Let me know you want to get entered. 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms with even more strategies now available for the MicroStrategy game plan. Next year is going to be fantastic. Bigger and brighter things are happening here at the BoldBot family. So come join us. Come be a part of the BoldBot family. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. The projected win ability is around $4,000 a month for the MicroStrategy game plan. Dub Crawford, are you already a part of the group or not? Are you in the BoldBot family? It's for new members only. So if you're already a member, you're not eligible, but I will sign you up if not. All right. Put you down. Got about 20 some people, I think, right now. So you got a 1 out of 10 chance. Ernesto Morales, welcome back. How are you? When is the drawing? It's next Monday at noon. Monday the 23rd at noon. I'll be doing it live on air. Spin the wheel, round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows, but 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms. Alex, do you want in the drawing? All you have to do is follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube, send me a message, comment on a video. Let me know you want entered into the drawing. All right. I will put you down. If you want entered, I will put you on the list. Right now, all the standard algorithms are green for the day. Let's review. We've got NQ early, 1 for 1 for 100. We got NQ later, 1 for 1 for 500. We've got NQ new range, 1 for 1 for 350, and NQ open, 1 for 1 for 100. So that's 500, 850, 950, 1,050 just on the standard algorithms today. So in one day, you would have made your entire monthly payment if you ran all the standard algorithms on one mini contract. Now, we don't recommend you run it on one mini contract when you first start off until you build up a buffer. But just if you have a cash account and you'd be up $1,000. It is afternoon now. It is 12:04 Eastern Time. This is the Swag Show. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys being here with me. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30. Make sure you tell your friends, moms, dads, brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins, anybody that you could think of that you want to help make a little bit of extra money each and every month. No better way to do it than to sit back and let the algorithms work for you. It's almost what you can say passive income. All you got to do is set it up and let it do it for you. So close to within one tick of taking that long here. Let's see. Within one tick right there, getting in that long. Up 100 on live and 50 on eval. There you go. Very nice. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. Not a bad way to make a little bit of a living. You know what I mean? A little bit of extra income. $2,000 a month is nothing to sneeze at for a little bit of passive extra income. That's a mortgage payment. You know what I mean? There it finally got into that trade there. And quickly up $100, just like that. See how fast the NQ moves? Got to be careful. Sky the Limit, welcome. Aor, Andy Suarez, Carlos, hello, welcome in. $280 on this NQ visual long now. $180. Future Scalper, welcome back. My brother from another mother. How's the weather? Slow 5.0, welcome. Did you hit any jackpots while you were in Vegas? How was your trip? Did you have fun? What restaurants did you go to? Tell me all about it. I got to live vicariously through you right now. Green all across the board on all the standard algorithms so far today. NQ early 1 for 1, NQ later 1 for 1, NQ new 1 for 1, NQ open 1 for 1. NQ day waves is green 220. NQ PBV last night 3 for 3 for 1800. So if you had that even on one micro, that's $180. Most people don't make $180 a day, if you think about it. $25 an hour job, 8 hours a day is $200, and then you got to pay taxes on that. So anything over $200 a day is $50,000 a year. So think about it like that. Greg Jones, welcome in. Tino must not want to talk to me. That's all right. I see him slide in here, being all quiet and incognito and stuff. Greg Jones, welcome. Algo, hello. Gabriel, welcome in. C Coin, welcome back. Thank you for being here. If you didn't know, we do have a special on the digital mentorship. It's a $500 off Christmas special, good until the end of the year. It's only $1,000 to learn how to manually trade. Take the digital mentorship, be part of the student channel, student group, morning Zoom call, get access to the proprietary chop zone, the student play of the day, the standard alerts, all on sale right now. Otherwise, excuse me, the standard alerts, the standard algorithms are $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that. $290 now on this NQ visual long. Trying to break over 22,055 here. How much to be part of the mentorship? Sorry, excuse me. So it's on sale right now for $1,000. That's a one-time cost. It'll get you access to the student channel, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, gives you the proprietary chop zone and the standard alerts for 1 month. But you can watch the digital mentorship videos. You have access to them for life. So you can watch them as many times as you want. Then after that first month, if you wanted to stay in the student group, it would still be $1,000 a month, but you would get access to the algorithms at that point. And our students are making around $500 per account per day on average. Holding steady here, right in this little choppy mess for the past 10 minutes at least. Alex, hello. Ravi, Nick, Chickens Rock, Jahone Pranks, welcome in. Thank you guys. How's everybody doing on this magnificent Money Monday? Blue Bulls Trading, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Anybody do anything fun this weekend? Is everybody ready for Christmas? Janet Grigsby, Rhett Dulba, welcome in. Andy, J Momentum, hello. What do you know? It is this swag show. My name is Colin. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated, semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Victor Pedraza. Welcome to the Swagoners. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Glory, hello. What do you know? Volume is significantly dropped off here right now in the lunch hour. 12:17 p.m. Eastern Time, December 16th. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hello, hello. What do you know? Juan Mendez, welcome. Mendoza, I'm sorry. Juan Mendoza, welcome in. Mike Higginbottom, hello. Good morning. Rhett, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. I appreciate it. If you guys didn't know or you haven't heard, I am doing a giveaway. 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms next Monday, the 23rd at noon. So you got to follow me on TikTok, X, YouTube. Shoot me a direct message and let me know that you want to be entered into the drawing, or just do it right here in chat and I will put your name on the list. Then I'll double check my list, make sure that you do follow me, and we'll do the drawing live on air next Monday at noon. Christmas is almost here. Time to spread that holiday cheer. Is everybody ready for Christmas? Have you done all your shopping? Derek Simpson, welcome in. Anastasia Antino, I don't know. LJ Shriver, welcome back. Hello. $380 on this NQ visual long. Ray Waddle, welcome in. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Wherever you're at on planet Earth. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time. Every week, showing you live futures market trading. Next week, I will not be live on the 24th or 25th for Christmas, but I'll be live on Monday, the 23rd, and I'll let you know the rest of the week. I'm new here. Heard this was a good bot to use. Yes, Nick, it is. Just for an example, the standard algorithms this morning, NQ early was 1 for 1 for $100. NQ later, 1 for 1 for $500. NQ new range, 1 for 1 for $350. And last night, if you ran NQ open, it was 1 for 1 for $100. So that's over $1,000 in one day just by using these standard algorithms. So, if I have, say, a 15K cash account, what can I make? That's roughly 3 times the standard algorithm. So safely, you could make 8K a month. And safely, I would say you could make 8K in the first month. Roughly. Santa being ruined or ran. Yeah, Santa is run. But he's on lunch break. But he hasn't taken a lot of trades today for some reason. So I don't know. I think it's I needed to disconnect and do a reboot, but I'm not going to do it since I'm on stream. But right now he'd be on lunch break anyway, so he doesn't trade during this time. Jetsu, welcome back. Long time no see. How are you? Kevin Trades, welcome in. So yeah, Nick, the standard algorithms that are $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that, made over $1,000 today already if you ran them on one mini contract. And with a $15,000 account, we could come up with a great game plan for you. So you're not risking too much, but you're still able to make a profit. Yeah, it's super easy to use. We have 100% white glove service, hands-on, help you get everything set up and going. You just have to have NinjaTrader. The results, like I said, right now we have a MicroStrategy game plan that's projected to win around $4,000 a month, and that's based off of a $50,000 prop firm account. So you really only have like a $2,500 drawdown in that window, but we can size accordingly. Hey, Scott, welcome in. How are you? Crypto Babe, welcome back. Keep fight. Sky's the limit. Jeep Glass Service, welcome in. Yeah, I mean, Nick, it's a great way to make, a couple hundred extra bucks a day usually. If you want to size way down and just stick with a MicroStrategy game plan, so. No. To make 4K, you got to have 50K in the account? No. What I was saying is the MicroStrategy game plan that we have is projected to win around $4,000 a month, and that's based off of a $50,000 prop firm account, which means you have $50,000 worth of leverage to trade with, but it's really only $2,500 worth of drawdown. So it's the equivalent to having roughly a $3,000 cash account. Now, does the bot have losing days? Yes, but it has more winning days than losing days. So nothing's 100%. Yeah, Nick, we could go over that when you join. That's kind of what I do is I have a Zoom call with you, a one-on-one, and we can go over and set something up for you, go over all the strategies and algorithms and what each one risks per trade, and then set you up with a good plan that can be profitable and hit the goals that you want to hit each month. What's the price of the bot? $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Otherwise, it's $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms, which gets you access to all the algorithms. So, Nick, I hope that made sense. We would sit down and work with you and get you set up for something if you just had a cash account. So, if you wanted to make, three, four, 500 a day, we could come up with something that would usually hit close to that. And not risk too much. Because it's all about your bankroll management, your risk management, staying alive. So, are there going to be any better pricing in the future? Better than the 500 a month for the first month? No. That's as good as it's going to get. We give you half off the first month just to see if you like it. But the digital mentorship is on sale right now. It is $500 off of the normal price if you want to learn how to manually trade the Christmas special. So, Baller World, good morning. This is not for everybody. I mean, you gotta have some skin in the game. Let's say, even if you're gonna use prop firms, they still cost money. Even though it's cheaper than a cash account, sometimes it's a lot harder to get money out of because you have to pass the evaluation. You have to follow all the rules. Whereas a cash account, if you had $3,000 to put into a cash account, then you would need at least 2 months probably saved up for the algorithm. So I would say you'd need roughly $5,000. And then you could start seeing a return on your investment, right out of the gate. If you sign up today, you would be trading by probably Friday, maybe Thursday. It all depends on if you can follow the instructions on the videos and the step-by-step instructions that we give you on how to get everything set up and going, but it usually doesn't take that long to get going. And then Irma will double check all your settings. Then you'll have a Zoom call with me to go over the game plan based on your account size and all that stuff. And then you can start trading. We suggest everybody does at least a day or two in simulation to make sure that it is up and running properly and that you don't have any issues. But yeah, I'd say you could be live by Thursday probably. If you want more information, please just email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Somebody will get back to you quick, fast, and in a hurry. How long till you get back your initial investment? That's the thing. It all depends on what you're going to do. If you're just going to use the algorithms, with cash, it would be, from day, it would be the month. It depends on how big your cash account is. The MicroStrategy game plan, like I said, is projected to win around 4,000 a month. So if you're doing a prop firm, it depends on if you're going with one that needs to pass an evaluation or if you're going with one that's straight to funded. So you would need probably a month, and then you could start withdrawing from the prop firms. So to answer that question, at least a month before you could start seeing a return on your investment. And now, if you go cash account, that's different. But on the prop firms, you have to build up a buffer and follow all the rules and all that stuff. So $500 now on NQ Visual Long. How much does start a prop fund account? Each one's different. Crypto Babe, it depends on what company you go with. Right now, Apex has 80% off sale going on for the next day, I think. I think it ends tomorrow at midnight. Use the code SWAGSHOW, save 80% off. You could get a $50,000 account for, I think, $37, $33, somewhere around there. But if you wanted to go straight to funded, then you want to look into Tradeify. They have a sale going on right now as well. You can get a straight to funded account. They're a little more expensive, but everybody's situation's different. So look into all of them. Take Profit is another good one. It's around $100 for a 50K account, but you can use the code no fee 40, and then you don't have to pay an activation fee once you pass the eval. Top Step is another good one if you want to look into them. $49 for a 50K eval with them. So you just got to look around. But those are the four that I use: Apex, Top Step, Tradeify, and Take Profit. So just do your homework, see which ones you like best. Isaac, thank you for the share. I appreciate you. Jose S., welcome in. Yeah, there's a lot of people. We have over 150 people in the group, and there's a lot of people that get paid out month to month. I've been paid out lots of times by both Apex and Tradeify. I had at one point 15 PA accounts before my divorce. Then I had to get rid of them legally by my lawyer's advice. So had to start all over, and here I am. Now we're back, just slowly grinding it, day by day with you guys, showing you my journey as a trader. I'm not trying to make a whole bunch of money every day. Just, if I make anything over $100 on all my accounts, I'm happy, honestly, because that's 8 funded accounts that I have. And if you add that up, that's, $800 a day times 5, that's $4,000 a week. Now, will it take me a little bit longer before I can withdraw anything from those accounts because they're prop firm accounts? Yes. But can I wait? Yes. If I can wait 2 or 3 months and then take out, $10,000 out of all those accounts total, I'm happy with that, So you got to understand what you're getting into and that it's a slow process. A lot of people can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot if you get too greedy or you don't know what you're doing. But if you're just going to use the algorithm and try and make 2, 3, 400 a day, there are algorithms that will do that. Like I said, NQ later on one mini contract today won $500 already. NQ new won 350. NQ early won 100, and NQ open last night won 100. NQ PBV last night won 1,800. Now the risks on each one of those is different on a mini contract, but if you go small and slow and even break it down to micros, you could still make a couple $100. Can you have both prob and funded? You mean cash and funded? Prop firm and funded? So what I mean by funded is that it's a live account making real money from a prop firm. But yeah, you can have cash accounts. You can have different prop firms. Like I said, I have 4 different prop firms. I have Tradeify, Apex, Take Profit, and Top Step. And a cash account. So yeah, you can have all of them. It is 12:36. I'm way past my time, but I'm going to stick around for a little bit longer today and hang out with you, answer some questions. I was a little late getting on this morning. I apologize. I split it up. Some of them I do run on all my accounts, but otherwise I have a game plan that I split up and diversify and the risk. So if one of them takes a loss, it's not losing across all my accounts. Um, if that makes sense. So I'll have 2 different game plans. I'll split it into 4 accounts, run like these 2 or 3 strategies. The other 4 accounts run these 2 or 3 strategies. And that's how I diversify my risk. So just in case one of them takes a loss, it's not across all my accounts. But that's what I kind of go over in the Zoom call that you have with me as well, to make sure that you don't bust or lose too much across all your accounts. So I know you can't tell me what to do, but is it smart to take 1,000? Is it smart to take 1K to buy props and the rest for cash, trying to diversify as much as can? Yeah, Nick, that isn't a bad idea at all. Especially if you have the money, you can go with you can wait and see if Tradeify has a Christmas sale. That's what I would do. Hopefully they offer like 40% off again on the straight to funded. I've got 2 of the 150K straight to funded from Tradeify. That gives you plenty of buffer room. Also, Apex right now, it's 80% off. They just have real strict rules with consistency. You got to be careful following those. But if you're using the algorithm, you should be making about the same each day. So that wouldn't be an issue. But yeah, that's a really smart idea. That's what I kind of did. Like I said, I have a cash account and I have 8 funded prop firm accounts and 1 eval right now with Top Step. Sorry. So just look into whatever one you think you would like based on all the parameters that you have to follow, the rules that you have to follow. But I really like Tradeify. They're my favorite right now because you can go straight to funded. They have a soft stop drawdown where if you do hit it, you don't bust your account, but they will stop you from trading anymore that day. And then you just have to make it, you still have half your drawdown the next day. So, yeah, I mean, that's the thing. The more accounts you have, the easier it is to make $1,000, right? If you have 10 accounts, that means you only need to make $100 a day per account. But once again, like I said, is it going to take me longer to build up a buffer to where I can withdraw? Yes, but if I'm averaging $100 a day per account, that's $2,000 a month per account. So after 2 months, I'll have $4,000 built up in all of them. Then I could probably take $1,000 out of each one of them. And then that's $10,000. Exactly, Nick. Yeah. I know they do have a sale. I think it's only 35% off now on Tradeify, but if you click on my link in my link tree in my profile and go straight to the Tradeify website, it'll give you the best option and it'll help me out. So I appreciate it if you did that, if you're thinking about it. It's just my little affiliate code thing up there. And the other good thing is, a couple of weeks ago, Tradeivate had a data disconnect, and people lost money across all the prop firm platforms. But Tradeify reset everybody's accounts within a few hours. So that's why I like them. Yeah, Jason, it does. How many props can you get with 1K? It depends on what company you go with. You got to remember, you got most of them have an evaluation period, right? So they're cheap to start. It might be 40 or $50, but then once you pass, you got to pay like 100, 125. I know Take Profit for a 50K right now, I think it's like $102, but you don't have to pay anything once you pass if you use the right code, which is no fee 40. Tradeify, depending on what size straight to funded account, you might only be able to get 2 or 3 of them. But like I said, they're straight to funded. Otherwise, you can get a whole bunch of Apex accounts while they're on sale right now at 80% off. Just use the code SWAGSHOW, and it's like $33 or something for a 50K account right now. And then you have to pay the $125 activation fee once you pass it. So you would only be able to have maybe 7 or 8. But you could get a lot of evals, but where they're getting you at is the activation fee. So you just got to shop around and see what you like best, which one you want to go with. We do go live starting at 9:30 Eastern Time with Jen and Lauren, the Bold Bot Beauties. They go live here on TikTok. And then I come on at 10:30 to 12:30, Monday through Friday, showing you live futures market trading. Yeah, we help set up if you need help. But we do have videos that you get that give you step-by-step instructions on how to get going. But we're here to help you. So Irma is the setup expert. She double checks everything, make sure you're good to go. And then you have a Zoom call with me to go over the MicroStrategy game plan and come up with a plan for you and whatever your account sizes are. So yeah, we're here for you. Then we do have a referral program as well. So once you join, the more people that you tell to join and sign up, the more free months you'll get. And speaking of free months, if you haven't already signed up, I am giving away 2 lucky winners will receive 1 free month next Monday, the 23rd at noon. So make sure you follow me on all the social medias and shoot me a message if you want entered into the drawing. Nick, if you haven't followed me, you can follow me on here and then let me know if you want entered into the drawing for the 1 free month of the standard algorithm. So yeah, and the thing is, you could always just get 1 or 2 prop firms, start with your cash account, slowly build your cash account up, and then just keep getting more and more prop firms. So the goal is to make over 10K a month. Yeah, 100%. Well, I mean, like I said, if you had 10 accounts and each one made $100 a day, that's $1,000 a day. So it's very doable to make over 10,000 a month. The more accounts you have, the easier it is, but the longer you have to wait to take a payout. So you got to keep that in mind. Yeah, there's a lot of people in the group doing just that. I mean, let me see if I can pull up the results page here. So let me see if I can put it over here. No, I want this. All right. Uh-oh. Ended. What happened? How'd it end? I didn't end it.